Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see if some apps are missing from your home screen, how you can fix it permanently. Say for example, I'm just dragging this Instagram application onto my home screen. Drag and drop, okay? Say for example, when you keep this mobile in your pocket, due to the mistouch, it may accidentally get removed here. See here, like this. Not always this happens, but few times it may happen, and you may be surprised that where these apps on your home screen are getting disappeared. To fix this issue, first of all, I'll be showing you in two mobiles. This is Realme mobile and this is Motorola mobile, and this works in any mobile. Okay, first of all, click on your Android phone settings, and here you'll see something like home screen and lock screen. Then you'll see lock layout. Tap on this lock layout. I'll read it for you. Lock items on your home screen to prevent them from being moved or deleted. So once you do this, say for example, if I want to remove this, it won't happen because we have locked the home screen, right? We have locked the home screen, so there is no chance of apps getting disappeared from now on. So what we'll do is we'll see it on Motorola. Click on your Android phone settings. This time we'll directly search here like lock layout. That is what we want here. Lock screen, unlock your phone, home and lock screen, lift to unlock, screen lock, device lock. Where is this? Widgets on lock screen. So this is not working, so instead we'll go step by step only. We'll go to home and lock screen, then home settings, then where is this? Lock home screen layout. Okay, instead you can search like lock home screen layout. So now it is enabled, right? Now I can't remove this, means this won't get removed because I have locked the screen. So whatever the apps or the widgets, this is the widget, right? Widget you keep on your home screen is permanently fixed. In this way you can fix the issue. Okay, instead of lock you can say something like lock home. You can search in any mobile, Redmi, Vivo, Samsung or something like that. You will find that similar option. Okay, then you can enable that and you can fix this. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.